Hi, I'm Marissa Kozlov. Welcome back for another eMarketer Industry Voices, where we bring you perspectives on how marketers are working through challenges and what they envision for the future. Joining me today is Milena Oliveira, SVP and CMO of 3M's Transportation and Electronics Business Group. Milena, so nice to see you.
Hi, Marissa. So great to be here.
Well, I'm thrilled to have you with us today. Milena, you have had quite the career at 3M. You started at the company more than 20 years ago as an intern in Brazil. You're now the SVP and CMO of one of the company's most diverse, global, and technical groups. How has your experience shaped the way that you approach marketing?
As you said, I started in Brazil. I came to the US. I had an opportunity to live in Europe. Later on, I had an opportunity to go back and live actually in Chile. So I think the first thing, having an understanding of the global customer base that we have, it's one. Another one, it's in my role, I had many, many opportunities to always be engaging with customers. And through that, I think you learn a lot about the customer needs and wants. And, that has a tremendous impact in the role today because I think my role today, one of the critical things is to be a customer champion, to really have that focus on the customer journey and customer experience, and having that understanding of the challenge, the needs of our customers, I think has a great impact on that. And also the diversity of roles between marketing and sales. That has been a tremendous help to really position me, in a unique way for this role.
For even those marketers that are a little bit more experienced or have aspirations to become a CMO one day, what characteristics or skills do you believe make a CMO successful?
The first thing that comes to my mind, Marisa, is leadership. I think leadership, not only for CMOs, but for everyone, but leadership is a key skill. And I would say in the CMO role, I think leading by example, being close to people, especially, over the last 2 years with the pandemic and everything that happened, but also promoting collaboration, promoting that, agile mindset, motivating the teams. I think it's a big one. And at the same time, just humility to ask for help, to learning from others, to make mistakes. We are in a very dynamic environment, today, and things are changing, daily. So I think it's also important to have that, mindset of learning every day, but also asking for help and working from others. Other things that comes to mind, for sure, communication is a key skills, storytelling. I think that the CMO role, besides being a customer champion, I think you also have to be, great in storytelling, so you can really bring our solutions to life in a unique way for our customers. And data driven mindset. I think it's everything today. With data, we can be much more effective, and we can do a lot of things that it can impact the customer journey in a very positive way. And at 3M and any other place, I would say innovative thinking and creativity comes handy as well.
Great to hear that. Well, the storytelling that you mentioned is often based off of a lot of data. Let's talk about the future survey. Coincidentally, the 5 trends that you identified as part of that survey closely mirror our own trends that we had identified here at eMarketer and Insider Intelligence for 2022. I want to ask you about 2 of those in particular: augmented reality and artificial intelligence. How are these 2 areas becoming a bigger part of your marketing strategy?
3M believes in immersive technologies. They are in many ways, the future of work. And, when we are using those technologies appropriately, it can be very effective for us to demonstrate the power of our solutions, to help our customers with learning opportunities, design and visualization, and even collaboration. We work a lot with our customers in that bench to bench engagement, technical to technical engagement, and, leverage those technologies to bring in those mixing digital capabilities and people expertise has been a wonderful way for us to engage in a more effective way with our customers globally. In addition to that, Marisa, you talked about AI, and we are using AI to really help us customize customer journeys, to really find more effective ways to engage with our customers online. And there's today we're really looking more into what happened and why it happened. However, we are moving towards that mindset of what's going to happen. So AI is going to really help us move from just engage with our customers on that path to purchase, moving to be much more effective in engaging on that path to purpose.
Melina, you have shared a lot with us today about your marketing strategies, about emerging technologies. What's next for 3M?
Yes, we are on a journey. We are on a journey, to transform how we engage with customers. So we're going to continue to go deeper, first of all, in data driven. Analytics, can really, change the way that we do things and engage with customers when, where, and how they want. In addition to that, I think that we are just in the beginning of the exploration of AR and VR, and we are just even thinking about the metaverse kind of space. So those are all the things that we want to continue to advance, in a fast pace. We can really help our customers in collaboration opportunities, in design opportunities, and really visualize how things can be done in the future.
Well, we look forward to following all that's to come for Transportation and Electronics Group in the year ahead. Milena, thank you so much for being with us today. It's been such a pleasure to hear more about your global experiences and all that's coming up for 3M. Thank you so much for being here.
Oh, thank you very much for an invitation. It was great.
And thanks to all of you for tuning in to Industry Voices. We'll see you soon.